Siema w kolejnym dniu na Goa. Jest to jeden z ostatnich odcinków z tego miejsca, dlatego że nie chcę po prostu was zanudzać tym samym. Lecimy zaraz dalej. Teraz zmierzamy na lekcję gotowania do Rubana i ten odcinek praktycznie w całości będzie poświęcony jedzeniu. Wspaniałemu, pysznemu, indyjskiemu jedzeniu. Przedstawię wam kilka tradycyjnych potraw, to co udało nam się przygotować z Rubanem. Jestem lekko posmarkany po tych klimatyzacjach, drineczkach z lodem, wiatrakach. Dobra, też się chłop wyrobił w czasie, więc idziemy sobie za nim. Okay.
That person was telling me they are going. You see the coconut there? That's a beach.
Yep. Oh my god, really?
Beach is closer.
Ziomeczek też jest joginem i prowadzi lekcje jogi. Powiem wam, że nawet spoko, bo grupa dla początkujących. W końcu nie dotarliśmy na tę jogę, tak. A nie jest o 7 rano czy o 6 rano, tylko jest o 10:30. Wcześniej są bardziej zaawansowane grupy, więc istnieje możliwość minimalna, że trafimy jeszcze na tą jogę na przykład jutro albo pojutrze o 10:30.
The coconut should be like this. And remove the coconut. If you want to collect water, you can collect the water, but maybe we go inside, maybe we take a little water, I give you. See,
Wow.
see the shape.
Perfect plan. And could you tell me what is different between a fresh coconut
Yes.
and this one, older, I guess?
This
yeah.
is because when you are taking like fresh coconut is meant for more drinking. This portion of this fresh coconut will be very soft, very thin. So that's for eating, and you can't make sauces. But only with this you can make sauces, or you can make you can take coconut milk and you can make in recipes, or you can grate this coconut. You can use in the curries, or you can even vegetables like or fruit salads. Anything you can use it. Or in the when you are making sweets, Indian sweets also we use lots of grated coconut, dry coconuts, and grated ones like that. So it's meant the way you use it. And now we make sauces with this. Little thick, and you can try with that. But this is good for them. So you can take as much as you want. You can take as much coconut as you want.
Teraz włożyliśmy tego kokosa do blendera. Będziemy go blendować. Chłop tutaj wrzucił razem z tymi brązowymi elementami, więc nie trzeba jakoś super skrupulatnie tego obierać.
So now we are going to put one garlic clove. One garlic clove. Like spicy?
Medium, yes.
Okay. Yeah. But this is, if you feel like it might be spicy, then you can take it out a little bit and try it out first. Little salt. Little salt. Okay. Then later on, so you can add coriander leaves. If you like coriander, you can add it. And that's it. No, that's it. Now we will blend this one. I'll make it like a sauce. I didn't put water. Now you add water, little by little. Little water, then you blend it. You can add a little bit more also.
Wygląda jak twarożek ze szczypiorkiem, ale pachnie głównie kolendrą. Co przygotowujemy ten sosik kokosowy, jest przepyszny. Ja nie wpadłem nigdy, żeby coś takiego zrobić. Myślałem, że te kokosy w Polsce, które są właśnie te starsze, to one są tylko do tego, one są takie, wiecie, lewe dla Polaków, żeby sobie siorbnęli trochę wody i to wyrzucili, a na nich się robi właśnie te wszystkie sosy. Sztos. Warto wiedzieć. Więc możecie sami to zrobić. Wystarczy kokos, chili, kolendra, co tam jeszcze i czosnek. Jest świetne. Zobaczymy, co z tym będziemy robić dalej. Moi drodzy, świeże liście curry. Niesamowite. Myślałem, że curry to po prostu mieszanka przypraw, ale widzicie, człowiek uczy się całe życie. Curry to również liście i roślina.
We are going to fry the sauce, coconut sauce. We're going to fry it. First we take the small container, a little oil,
Coconut oil.
Yeah, coconut
Yeah.
or any oil, whatever oil you have.
Okay.
Whatever oil you have, little oil, the very less quantity. Mustard seed,
What is it?
mustard seed.
Ah, okay.
See the mustard seed. You can take. You can
Czyli
see,
to jest gorczyca.
see the mustard seed, like 1 piece of dry chili or 2-3 pieces, just for the flavor. It's not spicy.
Okay.
Little curry leaves we'll be putting. So little curry leaves. Maybe if you don't want, you can reduce a little curry leaves.
Yeah.
And mustard seed, dry chili. Even you can add a little more things, but this is more than enough to make
Okay.
it more tasty.
Okay.
So the oil is warm, you can feel it. The smoke
nice,
is coming
yeah.
out. So first mustard seed. You can see it. Tup, 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 it's coming out. This is frying. The mustard seed is frying. Then the dry chili. Then the curry leaves together. And then just mix it like this.
Wow.
Just turn it.
Wow, what a smell. Ah, perfect. So fresh.
Now once it's brownish, now
Yeah.
it's ready. So now we put this one here.
Można też zblendować. Dalej. Wow.
So you can make it the way you want.
Trochę orzechowo, mimo że nie ma tu orzechów.
For making potato curry, first we boil the potatoes. So put the potatoes and put little water. We're going to boil it with a pressure cooker. So we are going to make chapati. Chapati is nothing like wheat flour. We take the wheat flour.
Yep.
It's up to you how much cups you want. You can take 2 cups or 3 cups. It's up to you. Wheat flour. We are going to make 2-3 recipes with this. So that's why I'm taking more wheat flour.
Okay.
Wheat flour. A little salt. Mix it like this. And pour water. Pour water.
O, to było mocno indyjskie, czyli lanie sobie po ręce pierwsze wody.
If it's sticky, then you put flour.
Of course. The same in Poland.
Yeah, like making like a same.
Yeah.
Like bread, like making
Yeah.
bread.
Yeah.
Sure. Do you make chapati? Have you made?
No, never.
Okay. So this is very simple. Just wheat flour, little salt and water. That's
Oh,
it.
okay,
Yeah.
that's it.
Then put a little flour. It's sticking. Yeah, it's we just keep it like this 5-10 minutes. Then we'll knead again. Rest. Yeah, keep it like 5-10 minutes rest. Then we'll start making again, kneading again, and then we'll start doing. So we'll keep this one aside.
Kary ziemniaczane.
We'll take like 2-3 garlic cloves, or you can even put like 5 or 6 garlic cloves. I don't cook anything like non-vegetarian. I do teach, but no. One onion, 1 chili also okay. If you like more green chili, you can just see now. You can cut the like chilies, like you can slick the chilies like one bit, like cut them in the middle, just for the flavor. You put the chilies more for the flavor. You can cut this garlics into small 1x2 like this.
Parę liści kary.
Yeah, correctly. So you can add ginger also. It's all up to you. Cooking is full of art. It's in your hand how you want to do. You can play with the ingredients like this. 1 dry chili also like this. 1 dry chili for flavor. First we'll make curry in this. So first we'll start, making potato curry. Coconut oil. Okay. Even if you want to add, you can add a little more coconut oil. It's not necessary you have to use coconut oil. You can even use whatever the oil you have in your country. It's completely fresh. So you use mustard seed. This much of mustard seed.
Czyli gorczyca, wszechobecna gorczyca.
Then you will use cumin seeds. Same now.
Perfect.
Mustard seed, cumin seed. And if you want a little bit less, more, it's all possible. You just play with what you want. Now I drop it. See? Can you see?
Yes.
Can you hear the sound? Then you put the cumin seed. First mustard seed, then the cumin seed. Okay. Then we go on one by one. Then you can drop garlic. Then even ginger, curry leaves, dry chili, green chili. Then after the onion, you always put salt because the onion gets fried up very quickly. The onion is getting brownish. Little. First, this is all for stuffing the potatoes inside. We'll stuff these potatoes inside the chapati. So now we'll mash this one. So this one, how we are doing it? This one I kept it aside for putting these potatoes inside the chapati. So this one we'll see later. First, now we'll put these potatoes. See this one. We'll put these potatoes in the curry and make this curry.
Chapati nam rośnie.
You're big enough. You know, like I'm mashing, or like, you know, it's like a paste. You know, you make it like a paste. Again, you keep going on, boiling another 2 minutes. Then we'll start adding the potatoes. Now the tomato has become like a paste. Can you see? Like a paste. Can you see? Like this. You can smash it also like this, and then keep adding more potatoes. Now we'll put it in the oven. Yeah. First, I will start with turmeric powder. Okay. Come on. Coriander powder. Coriander powder, garam masala, cumin seed powder, everything like quarter spoon or more than quarter. Put everything little, then whichever you want. Then you can add and less. Chili powder, a little. Chili powder, dry chili powder, a little. Kitchen King masala. Kitchen King masala. Kitchen King masala. Finally, we put ing.
What is it?
Asafoetida, yellow powder. Yeah, you put only like 2-3 pinches, like 1, 2, 3, like this. Now you put hot water. Now you throw the hot water, not cold water, always hot. See the coriander stems? Take out the stems. You can go. Yeah. Now the curry is boiling. Now you put a little coriander for dressing, then you put it off. You can feel the flavor, you can feel the taste of it. We start kneading. Better. Look at this. You can feel it. We make it like a small ball. Take it like a small ball. Roll it like this. Then dip it. Dip it like this. Put it in the. Okay. You can even put a flower like this. Yeah, like this. And then like this. You can put it like this. If you feel, otherwise you can even put it like this. And take it out. Okay?
Okay.
See? Not too strong. Not too strong. Just very gentle. Okay, now we'll fry this one. We take the pan. Keep a high flame. High flame. No oil at the bottom. No oil at the bottom. High flame. Just like this. Then you make it. Okay. Then you turn it.
Wow.
Then you bring the chapati in the center. Like in the center. All the sides. Yeah. You bring it in the center like this.
Okay.
So that this center is, this corner is being fried. Okay. Now you turn it. Same way. You bring it in the center. Or if you want to do, you can even take it out like this. You can even take it out, and you can even do it like this. You see? You can put it like that.
Okay. Dobra, robimy teraz innego ciapatego.
Yeah, first you roll it like this. And you put a little oil. Keep a little oil. Any oil, whatever oil you have. Little oil. Fold it. Again you fold it. You fold it like this. And you fold it. Then you'll feel it more softer as compared to other chapatis because you have oil inside. So see, again you start rolling. Same again like
Okay.
yeah.
No, I'm seeing how he makes. I know I can cook. I'm seeing his.
So now you can mix it. Coriander. Take like. You can take less quantity also.
Ruben, finish. I'll talk to you.
Yeah, you can take like this. You can start going like this.
Like a dumpling.
Yeah. Stuffing inside. Okay. No? See? Very gently. Not pressing. Very gently. Okay. Yeah, now you can taste it.
Yeah.
So that's a good clarity to have,
Yeah,
right? If
exactly.
people are not clear what they want.
Wow,
Thank you.
it was a pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you so much.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Thank you.